Mega GMs, happy Thursday to you. So much happening yet again in the NFT space. We hit another all-time high for daily transactions yesterday. The Rec League mint is coming in just a few hours here. McDonald's coming with some new NFTs. And hey, if you have Spam NFTs in your wallet, you can finally do something with those and get something pretty darn cool in place of them. Let's get into it all, and let's start with your Forkast 500 NFT index, where we're down 0.24%. That trend we had last week of being in the green, I didn't think it would continue. It has not continued, and here we are on that downward trend that we've been on really for most of the year and since March. Really, our catalyst to change is just the start of a new year in January, like historically the NFT space does. Now, NFT sales yesterday, just over $13 million. But like I mentioned, it's the transactions that's very significant here. And look at the number, 633,000. That's a new all-time high. That is smashing the previous all-time high of $595,000. Milestone moment, and again, nobody's talking about it. I wish I knew why. You also see the average sale price down to just $20. This is a fundamental change that's happening right in front of us. Cheaper prices, higher volume. This will lead to mass adoption. It will. We're not there quite yet. Prices still could and should fall lower. In fact, I want to see us break the previous low, which was in September of 2020, around $15. I want to see us more at $5 to $10 as the average price. Okay, so what's moving the market at least? It's familiar faces, DeGods here at the top. You have the Heist from Solana. It's a video game. It's the most played game on Solana, in fact. Coming with Season 2 that brings a new payment token called Coco, new NFTs. People are trading to the tune of around $1 million right now. So very hot project over on Solana. Another newcomer, it's the Boys of Summer. It's an art NFT from Mitchell Chan. 999 college baseball players tokenized in art form. Now the artwork changed based on their performance, based on statistics. So it's a very, very cool way to bridge technology with art. And I hope we see a lot more of this going forward. Now DeGods, have to talk about it. I'm actually pretty frustrated with what I'm seeing over there. A buyer named Maki, might be Machi, just bought his 400th DeGod. Now at the same time, he has been listing DeGods in bulk, even 100 at a time. It becomes very, very difficult to figure out the value of an NFT. What's the floor price? What is a safe price to get in at? It's impossible to tell when they're bought and sold in such a high number. Now, something I dislike just as strongly, you've had two buyers come in and offer to buy 200 of the DeGods off Maki, and they've promised to hold them for 6 months. Again, I don't like that idea. This makes it very, very hard to bring people from the outside into NFTs when they could never value the asset properly. And now adding to the DeGod FUD here, one of the DeGods co-founders is leaving the project. This is not a reactive move based off of what's happened here with Season 3. This was planned well in advance. The timing of it just kind of stinks for DeGods holders. It adds more uncertainty to the collection and to their prices, and DeGods right now, kind of a dumpster fire. Okay, those McDonald's NFTs. Well, they're Grimace NFTs. I never got the shake. Maybe this is the next best thing. 2,000 NFTs arriving in Singapore only, and here's the thing. They're soulbound tokens, meaning you can't trade them. So if you did want to trade them, the way to get around that is make a burner wallet, buy it without wallet, now sell the wallet to somebody else. Yes, you'll have the seed phrase still, so will the buyer, but it's a way to get around that if you think they're worth trading. The LooksRare marketplace offering Season 3 rewards, very similar to Blur with incentivizing trading, listing, collecting certain projects. If you trade their marked projects, well, you earn gems and ultimately will earn a share of $50,000 that'll be distributed via their Looks token. And finally, about the spam in your wallet, right? We all have it. Well, an artist named Slime Sunday, well-respected artist in this space, makes fantastic art, is offering you the chance to collect his artwork simply by burning your spam NFTs. Pretty darn cool. Now, he's calling it the Great Purge. What a fantastic way to get your name out there and get your art out there. In this market where people just don't have much liquidity at all, well, now anybody can collect their artwork. I love this. The mint's taking place over on the Base blockchain coming August 21st, so just a few days away. Can't wait to go and get my Slime Sunday art for the first time. I've not been able to collect them before. Wrapping it all up here, all-time high NFT transactions, 633,000. We have the big Rec League mint coming today. McDonald's NFTs. Again, always stuff going on in this space, right? It's a wild, wild ecosystem. It's a joy to be in. I hope you're having fun with it all because that's the most important part of it all, right? Now, I'll be back again tomorrow. I'll give you a little bit of a week wrap-up. We'll touch on the market updates. We'll touch on the news updates. And remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Till the next time, we'll see you.